Electromagnetic lock standard installation. Required tools. Close the door. Fold the template on the dotted line to form a 90-degree angle. Magnet on the door frame, armature on the door leaf. Place the template on the proper position. Use the glass guide pen. Mark armature plate position on the door per template. Mark magnet position on the door frame per template. First drill with 3mm drill bit. Drill 3 holes for armature plate side and magnet side respectively. Drill 3 holes. Do not drill the 2 side holes completely through the door. Drill the center hole through the door. For the center through hole, drill again with 8mm drill bit. Drill with 12.7mm drill bit from the outside. Hammer 2 hole pins into the armature plate. Insert the armature screw into the armature plate. Add the rubber and metal washers. Insert the sex nut bolt from the outside of door. Install the armature plate and secure the sex nut bolt. Secure the armature plate using 5mm Allen wrench. Use the rubber washer so the armature plate is pivoted. Fasten the mounting plate using 2 Phillips screws temporarily. Make sure that the mounting plate aligns with door frame. Secure the magnet using 5mm Allen wrench. Close the door and test if magnet and armature plate are closely attached. Remove the magnet after testing. Mark drilling positions using the glass guide pen. Remove the mounting plate. Drill with 3mm drill bit at 5 places. Drill 12.7mm cable hole. Retighten the mounting plate. Secure the magnet. Connect the power wire. Observe the polarity. Finish by screwing cover plate. Apply power. Door is locked. Cut off power. Open the door.